Togo. Antoine Randolph lance une pétition pour le départ de Faure Gnassingbé. A pétition en Akal tout Togol ce peuple fighting for heroes, Riwa, on s'again, de contribution of the first official of the Togol ce committee of resistance, CTR, Antoine Randolph. Ria digne. Gardons fermement CAP. Appel toute souveraine Togolais peuple. Dire patrio of the resistance. Dire compatrio. Veut qu'en Ria don nour monument of indépendance ti inscription, Togols peuple. Be your fête, your courage en your sacrifice te Togols nation waborn. Ti inscription ino composed of antivore. Veut expérience thème during your long struggle for freedom en political alternation, te are inscribed in your flesh, in the depth of your solve. Veut knoa our elder have endured during te aucun of colonisation te have suffered antigue priest ped forte indépendance of your country. Valso knot a freedom de no give itself, but a it breakout. On lit struggle free, c'est Thomas Sankara. Mad slaves en misérable on nous on soil, endured so much suffering, injustice en humiliation. Abandonné bioté humaine, oursad fat éventuel hydre en use divine compassion. The peaceful mobilisation of the Togols peuple against the 50th dictatorship, de Monique Saint-Auguste, Gebaillon human understanding. In reality, it even listen it decision of the daisy to puant to something bad, perverse ta la state au long ta donne to mu charm so ta te god quand again manifeste in ali splendor. Ti oui alt peuple, exalte bit divine creator, rosa on mantoudement à mon auteur te resignation of the bloody dictator en te return of the original constitution of 1992. Ti décision I supported by your ancestor WHO have bucketed du stiland en by your martyr WHO paid with early for defense. Why wanted bit d'ici inscribed in team was duration élu de us. En human intervention tending to shorten ti duration might produce something, une finished with habiter taste. I a fruit piquet au erlino les ce souhait en les goûtant a fruit piquet when rip. Have been standing with Baron Saint-Auguste. Despite the violence of the repression, despite the barbarity of the persecution the suffering alour Sicilian, especially, so code, Bafilo en mango, the remain valiantly standing. Our roi attitude en our determination have forced admiration of a large number of people including at African people. African civil society support us, the are deeply grateful to him. I particularly want to congratulate you all, me compatriot of interior and diaspora for the exemplary courage. I congratulate all the leader of the political parties involved in the liberation process. I ask them to continue to stay united in action to make our all body with the sovereign people. I bow respectfully toute memory of our fallen martyr Saint-Auguste 2017 en wish a speedy recovery to wounded. Justice will be done. À l'ours struggle I punctuated by a list 25 compromis agrément including at ata valve strengthened dictatorship en furte diminished the people. The Togols resistance, a valve calt agan agrément of it reason because interest en sacrifice of the people sold of it political parties of the signatory opposition. Sermin leader, Gilles Christ Olympio, Léopold Ninenvi, Edem Kodjo, have no become special advisor of Faure Gnassingbé. A for yao via boyibo, no in favor of the tier mandat usurped bit procedevantous. A te revebin public de bat after te signing of te agrément? No. Because the people a to be kept apparent in ignorance of the shenanigans te content. Dire compatrio. Dono fulus with purpose. Urgol in no négociation but total victory. A total victory for. Moins te reconquest of national indépendance en sovereignty. Moins te political alternation. Moins te restauration of democracy on te basis of 1992 constitution involving at dismantling of the dictatorial system en initiating major reform in al area to transform our country to be a new society. The new society, authentique, progressive, caring and tolerant, will perfectly meet expectation of the people and will make the pride of our ancestor WHO remarquable en extraordinary. Dire compatriots. Les bot actors en sentinelle trougour struggle. Les no listen toute sirène song because it non to falas le porlose te traveler. Ti in haute moment tout plonge back into à léthargix le poen, bi flash of Auguste 19, te pnpau saout. Galoping horse de no stop until iridé, lic archangel Michael, a défait à tête dragon. Te lion de no rare to bed afté, gueont offensive attaque. Also en hyper mature agrément à ould nota quinto à cointe resignation with immediate effect of te usurpant criminal forgnassimbe en te return of te military in serbarak will bita mortal stop of or fight en haïg raison tovart faterland, tovart martyr antinumérable sacrifice en suffering of our people. To achieve our goal de fine above, our struggle must be more powerful, more impactful, more effective en mauve lica steamroller tous motés en croche de serpent of the demonic dictatorship disguised ad of peace. Te page of the cemetery? We must explore altement of the non-violence struggle en ose to star adapté toute situation of the moment en te tempéram of our people. Tri of course marche, to wish the are ready accustomed, te strict, inali formant inal socio-professionnel, académique en academic sector. Te boycott of certains product of company en interest of te country WHO style support dictatorship, te pétition, which had played a large role in our struggle for independence, te punch en alto tément of civil disobedience en généralisée d'insubordination, considering that the currently in control of the state are illegitimate and tyrannical. I started en online petition tallying xat en optical. I invite al compatrio to sign it. I also invite you to sign Togo, joie coming, the song of the patrio to strengthen our solidarity, our union and te connectus tout mote country. Leus get rid of our voluntary servitude and are free, Taïwa Etienne de la Beu et city chus in speech en voluntary servitude, of wishery en excerpt. Point leus but accomplices of et murderé. Bebin ruled de hitman ben tyrannised? You live in suchawet a not anymore your. Be resolve to stop serve, and you are free. Understand importance en objectives of our struggle. Our struggle in a pseudo-esoteric fraternity but in our whole country en it a fight against the neo-colonial international mafia oppression. Our struggle in a parliamentary struggle but a national liberation struggle. En our struggle in en institutional opposition but a national resistance toute tyrannie of mort en alpha century. Let tyran comme, yourir sitovar freedom /, Togo stand, fight with to failure, les win ordi, buit dignité nationale en thème when te government violate the right of the people, t'insurrection forte people, en for every portion of the people, te most sacred of right, en te most indispensable of du si. 1 St. French Constitution Lire 1, June 24, 1793, article 35. Attend of 50 irritable comme existential, so essential en vital for our people en youth comme tout détermine the future of our country. Suffice to set at solution exclusively in terms of the sovereign people en cano, under en circumstance, be imposed on it be social leye formatted en irresponsible or outside. The challenge crucial. Leus understand our people are in great danger à long à terre pt unir de monique régiment ididly proceedar procent active. WHO would like a proceeding judge WHO a committed many offense tar reprehensible below? I guilty of, terrorisme, crime against humanity, economic crime, illicit enrichment, corruption, bad governance, electoral fraud in 2005, 2010 en 2015 en falsification of electoral reçu, depravation of the public moral life, attaque on moral, lust, inceste en pédophilia, criminal conspiracy. If revolutionary France had London in front of the crusade of the European nation, it would be monarchy dead beat capation dynasty today. te French Today Ould Nobe Proof Serelder of 1789. En if te Burkinabé peuple had accepted trade union interference of ECOWA, Urfamu mediator Blaise Compaor Ould bestripping Burkina Faso en i peuple mort des plis. Nana Akufo Adoi similar to Blaise Compaor. Of dubium morality anto close to Forgna Saint-Béangil Christ Olympio, ti proceed must be kept away from our internal problem. I reaction to our compatriot WHO had demonstrated on October 29 in Accra be humiliating them hominu. Dear compatriot and dear fighter of freedom. Tezar, in a nutshell, the course should follow, in my opinion, to make a great stride in our national liberation struggle and to advance it to victory. Only be strictly following the course of action can Vakirablo de Badoja, achieve the goal defined above en rebuild our country, a strong, peaceful, prosperous and joyful country. En IoT course of action would be a waste of time, suffering, disillusion, hopeless up en ruin of the soul. So I would like to address myself today, in all humility, to the whole Togolese people in all components of the molly choix bad and obsolete to be new, based on the God and the beautiful, the God darling, the gold of humanity. In our rebuilt city, on will replace the galv avla to iat, despite solve, since cette assassination, in 1963, of the fate of independence, lat proceed Sylvanus Olympio to jet elema que te hear of Togo bit. Al to jet united fraternally for the God of all. Joy approaching because the victory a certain at sonorize. Eternal glory to our martyr. Long live free and democratic Togo. Faisir. Faisis. Ablaud. Ablaud. Ablaud de Badoja.